Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Logitech webcam, quick fix step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Logitech webcam. Carefully remove the webcam from its packaging. Locate the USB cable attached to the webcam. Connect the USB cable to an available USB port on your computer. Wait for your operating system to recognize the device. If prompted, follow any on-screen instructions to install necessary drivers. Open the video conferencing or recording application of your choice. Navigate to the Settings or Preferences section of the application. Locate the video input settings. Select your Logitech webcam from the list of available devices. Adjust the camera angle and position for optimal framing. Check the video feed to ensure the image is clear and visible. If the image is not clear, adjust the focus if your model supports it. Ensure proper lighting in your environment for best results. Perform a quick test call or recording to verify functionality. Make any necessary adjustments to settings such as resolution or brightness. Your Logitech webcam is now set up and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.